Hey guys, welcome back to Just Promise vlog. Today we are doing a tutorial on how to achieve this hippie style braid. If you want something different from your usual braid style, then this is for you. Before we get started, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up and turn on your notification icon. The hair I'll be using for this tutorial is Impression, and I'm using the color 613. I'm gonna be showing you guys really quickly how I prepare the hair. If this is something you guys would like to get an in-depth tutorial on, please leave me a comment in the comment section and I would make sure to create a video on that. So to get us started today, I'm just dragging the hair. Dragging the hair because it really gives it a nice feeling when you're using the hair. And to brush it all out, I use a soft brush for your wigs and stuff. Use a soft brush because a hard one would just ruin everything. If you guys would like to see an in-depth tutorial on this, please let me know again in the comment section. To prepare my hair, I'm going to be using the Palmer coconut oil formula. This is a strong root spray and it's for like just protecting the roots. And I'm also using my Blue Magic Indian Herbs hair cream just to prepare my scalp, and then we will get right into it. For this hair, I wanted a center part, so I'm going to go ahead and actually just pat my hair the way I want it done, and I'm using my Eco Professional Styling Gel to actually slick it all down to hold it in place, so when I start doing the hair, my parts don't start flying everywhere. So the main thing about this braid is make sure that your braids, when you cut the hair, when you're preparing it, they are not even. So what I mean by that is some of the hair I've cut in 2 and some of them I've cut in 3, so that the length is different, so the length varies. And also when I'm plaiting the hair, I'm making some really skinny and some really chunky. So I'm just making them all different sizes. There is no right or wrong way to do this, just go for what you want it to be. But I would say do put it more in the skinny sides than chunky ones, because you might not get the end result. You see what I mean at the end of it. I don't feel like I'm explaining this properly. I don't think anyone cares about how I actually braid my hair, so we're just gonna rush through this. But if that's something again you guys would like to see, then I am happy to show you guys later on in another video. So it is all done. This is literally like 20 years later. I'm telling you guys, I was just thinking to myself, am I even gonna make it? But we made it. Like you can see, they're all different sizes, they're all different lengths and everything. So now I'm actually now going to braid them in section. This is to get it ready for the hot water process. I would say if you've not used hot water before, or if you're clumsy, please get someone to help you, because this is not for the faint-hearted. So I'm just making sure my hot water is boiling. When I mean boiling, it's crazy boiling. You're gonna need 2 towels for this process. One is to put around yourself as a protective measure, and the other one is to use around the hair while you're going through the process. You will see why you need 2 towels in a minute. So I'm just gonna be pushing them out and dipping them into the hot water using the bowl. I'm pushing it as far as possible. Don't burn your scalp. If you can't get it all the way, don't worry, we are going to sort that out later on in the video. I am telling you guys, this water is so hot. I was just literally trying not to kill myself throughout the whole process. So definitely get help if you know you're not good with handling stuff like this. Now to get the scalp, I'm dipping the smaller towel into the hot water and actually just resting it on my scalp. So sort of like a massage, just massaging the whole of my scalp so that the hair on the roots is actually relaxed as well. And as my hair is wet, I'm gonna use that opportunity to trim off the edges, because I find that this actually works better. Lastly, I'm applying apple cider vinegar. This is because I don't want my hair to itch, and when I use bright colored extensions or expression, I find that my hair actually itch because it doesn't really accept the chemical that's been used to dye it. So I'm just adding apple cider vinegar to my scalp and where the extension touches my hair, and I'm gonna wrap my hair all up and just give it a couple of minutes or as long as possible to really just get that hot water and get that coils in, and then we shall wash it out, everything all washed out and rinsed out in the shower later. So guys, I'm back, and yes, my face is bit because I wanted you guys to really see how I intend to be looking all kind of fabulous. Alright, I'm joking. But so now we're gonna remove the braids. I let my braids sit for a long time. I use that opportunity to tidy up my room because when you do hair, it goes everywhere. I use the opportunity to clean up and everything, and even prepare foods before jumping in the shower. So as I take the braids off, you guys can actually see the effect that I was going for, so that wavy beach coils effect coming through. The last thing we're gonna be doing is like putting all kind of ornaments. I'm gonna use some threads, I'm using some beads, I'm using all kind of stuff to go crazy on the hair, and that is just the last step. Okay guys, so it's a bit different. I'm back, and as you can see, I've added a tons of random stuff on the hair. So I couldn't go too OTT because of work, but you guys can go as crazy as you want to do. But that's all you need to do to just get that hipster vibe. I done a center part. I especially like the center parts lately, and also because I plan to wear it like in twos and do different styles with it. So if that's something you guys are digging, you can do that as well. But if you don't want a center part, that's okay. But I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I'm so ready to like style this hair, and I ain't never got nowhere. Like, I'm just like what you're saying. But yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thank you so much for staying true to the end, and I'll speak to you lovely people real soon. Mwah.